Smokin'! Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to achieve this gray smokin' eyeshadow look. It's been my go-to this summer. I really have been liking the Lime Crime Immortalis palette. It's got all these really cool shades. They're pretty unique for, you know, smoky eye looks. I haven't seen any shade like this one, called Ash in particular. It's like a slate gray. It's really cool, so that's going to be kind of the spotlight for the look today. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, please keep on watching. All right, so we're gonna go in with the Lime Crime Venus Immortalis palette. And y'all already know, I mean, did I mention that I love Lime Crime? Like, this is, who's doing it like them? Look at this. It's perfect palette to do smoky eyes with. And today I'm gonna be going in with this shade mainly. It's such a unique shade. It's like a stone kind of gray. I don't have any other color like that, so I knew I had to cop this palette. And the palette is glow in the dark, which I haven't really messed with too much, but that's a pretty cool touch. So you already know the drill. I'm gonna start off with my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer as my base to prime my lids. And this palette does have a lot of kickback. As you can see, I just kind of lightly dip my brush and it's already all over the place. So just keep aware of that. It can get a little messy. And now we're gonna go in with the shade Ash, that gray, or more like a slate. All right, we're gonna take this black and unseen, and we're just gonna darken the end of the eye right here a little bit, just to kind of darken the color on the outer corner, add a little bit more dimension. So we're gonna sweep that over the crease as well. All right, now we're gonna go in with this silvery shade called Hail, and we're gonna put that all over the lid. Then we're gonna take the shade in Echo, and we're gonna kind of blend in between the darker gray and the silver. And then you're gonna take that same brush, don't apply any more product, but you're gonna go over whatever's left on the brush, just kind of go over the darker parts and blend everything together. All right, now we're gonna go on the under eye, and we're gonna take the same color ash, and we're gonna just trace along the waterline all the way to the inner corner of the eye. And then you're gonna take that black shade in Unseen and go over on the end just a little bit of it to kind of connect with the top. And I took a little bit, kind of make a little eyeliner almost. But I'm gonna blend that out too. Now we're gonna go on the inner corner with this white shade called Marble. I'm just fixing where I removed any of the gray because I don't want the white to overtake what I just put down. Oops. And then I'm gonna take the blending brush, clean it off, and then go with that same white shade Marble, but just a hint of it, and highlight my brown bone and kind of blend everything together on the top. Alright, and then at this point, I like to go in my waterline with a black eyeliner. And then I'm gonna go in with the Tattoo Liner by KVD and just make a little line very close to lash line at the outer end. go in with mascara. I'm gonna take the Dior Show Pump and Volume mascara. Back to our regular scheduled programming. Alright, then I'm gonna go in with the Lime Crime matte lipstick, liquid lip, and Virgo. I'm just gonna tap that all over. And then I'm gonna go over with the Lime Crime Lip Glaze and Cash. Just kind of dab that in. You know what? I almost forgot to put highlight.
Electric chair.
So I'm gonna go in with my Sweet Surprises palette and go in with this little highlighting shade. Highlight my nose, on the bridge right here, and the high points of my cheeks. Finishing touch, I'm gonna take my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder and kind of dust that under the eyes. And just generally around the face. Just parts I want a little bit smoother. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Very simple, very easy to make. It didn't take me much time at all. The eyeshadows are super easy to work with and I think they're really unique. I don't see a lot of palettes with these colors. Maybe the Jeffree Star, that cremated palette, I don't even know what you call it, but you know, he canceled, so this is a good alternative if you don't want to support that. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, any suggestions, and I will get back to you.